there, friend. Welcome to Beneath the Fig Tree. I'm Rose. I'm your hair down, take you by the hand, gal pal / mentor that can't wait to share loads of inspiration, tools, and encouragement to help you cultivate the kind of meaningful relationship with God that you've always longed for, but didn't know how to make happen. Because I've been there. Spending an hour every day in the very special, set-apart place, reading the Bible and praying, that is one way to spend time with God, but it isn't the only way. Any more than saying the only way to spend time with your bestie is to go to dinner, watch a movie, then stop for a late-night coffee. That is one way to hang out with your gal pal, but it isn't the only way. That's where I come in. Comfy jeans on, Bible caddy loaded with tools, all Genevieve Gorder meets Elizabeth Gilbert with a tiny bit of Beth Moore mixed in. I spent so many years wanting desperately to feel close to God the way my friends seem to. I felt like they all had the secret passcode to get in, and I didn't. If you're listening, I'm betting you've asked yourself some of these questions that I did. Is there something wrong with me? Am I not spiritual enough? Do I just not have enough willpower and discipline? The answer to every single one of those questions is no. But I lived in that agonizing place for most of my adult life. One day, I realized something had changed. I had changed. My relationship with God had changed. Little by little, God started showing me what shifted and how to keep growing closer to Him and love every single step along the way. Then I started teaching other women how to cultivate their own friendship with God, how to recognize the ways God relates uniquely with them, because He does. And I would be honored to walk alongside you and help you cultivate a devotional life that you actually love and look forward to. A spiritual practice that fits the way God uniquely made you. Your relationship with Him won't look like mine. How you most love spending time with Him won't be the same as it is for me, or maybe it will. Hang around here long enough and I'll teach you how to discover that for yourself. One of my most favorite things in life is seeing women light up when they have their own aha moments with God. Ready to be one of those women? Well, my friend, welcome to Beneath the Fig Tree, where we'll talk about all things devotional life. Each episode will be short and offer inspiration and tools and easy ideas to help you cultivate a devotional life you actually love and look forward to. The kind of spiritual practice that actually transforms your relationship with God. Between episodes, here's where you can connect with me and other women on the same journey. We have a Facebook group called Beneath the Fig Tree Figs Community, and that is your community to explore, to learn, and to grow in friendship with God alongside other women. I also have a YouTube channel, so if videos are your cup of tea, hop on over to the Beneath the Fig Tree channel. I've created lots of step-by-step videos on all kinds of devotional life topics, and I've got lots more in the works. And if you love Facebook or Instagram, you can find Beneath the Fig Tree on both. I have pages in both places, and they're fun little spaces where you'll find tidbits of inspiration, creative ideas, and behind-the-scenes looks at all things fig tree-ish. So let's cultivate a devotional life you love, like really love. It is possible, and it's easier than you think. Talk to you soon, Fig.